Good afternoon, fellow traders. Black Coffee Trader coming to you on Friday, September the 27th. And once again, these red days continue. Had an okay day today. I did make some adjustments. Yesterday I was pretty frustrated. And going back to when I was trading minis, I was trading for $100 to $200, somewhere in that range. So 20 to 40 ticks. And as of late, I've been trading more for 30 ticks. And I went to micros because I could have a 60 tick stop loss, a much bigger stop loss. But what I'm seeing is when that's getting hit with some level of consistency, it does create a skewed range, if you will, as far as my profits. If you look at today, for example, looking at this, I have the trades up. This is the new trade that I've been monitoring some. I did trade it today called the Hitchhiker, or I call it the Hitchhiker. Basically, I'm looking for the market to have a trend. Let's do this. Let's look at a trade here. Actually, here we go. I have a recording up that we can use. This is a trade that we have a trend. This was on the Dow, and we have a move back. This would have been a really good entry. Have a move back. We have a long wick, a doji candle, and you enter right after that for a continuation move down, or a hitching a ride on the move down. And what you'll see with my stop loss, I have a 60 tick. What I changed is I created a 20 and 40 tick profit target. And what we want this. Once I hit my 20 tick and I take these off, my stop loss moves to 30 ticks. So cutting my risk in half. That's what I was testing today, which is why I took I lowered my size. I only traded with 4 micros today just to try to test this. But as you see, this will hit here soon. And as soon as this hits, you see my stop loss starting to come. So see, now that jumps to 30 because we've taken 2 off. So now if I get stopped out, I'm reducing a lot of my risk, and I already have some profit. And then once we get to 7.5 points or 30 ticks, then we start trailing a 35 tick stop. So if I get stopped out, even after this starts trailing, because 35 ticks, let's just see if we can move this along a little bit. There we go. It triggered right there. So it'll trigger here in just a minute. When that triggers, I was a little bit impatient on this trade, and I moved my take profit and I just took it off because I wanted to make sure I get it right there. It triggers. Even if this would go up and take me out, I would be in a profitable trade because my stop loss is not that far below my entry. So that's what I was testing, and I really liked it. So even though I had a red day today, I really, really, really did like that strategy. And this just continues to trail, and it works extremely, extremely well. So that's really what I was trying to work on and test for today. And again, I did like that quite a bit. Let me just shut this off so I know what I'm doing here. But anyway, that was really the thing for today. I did go a little increased my size toward the end of the day with my 150K account, and I did end up losing. We had a very tough day from the market perspective. Like, again, this week was just a tough week for me, and maybe it was for you too. I know, I don't know. Hopefully you had a better week than I did, which wouldn't be too difficult to do. This morning on ES, I felt like ES was trying to hold this level and push above it. It felt that way. It really felt like that was happening. But then at the same time on NQ was trying to push down, creating a very unique candle market structure, candle behavior, etc. And then this afternoon, we had the same thing, creating quite a divergence here in the afternoon. NQ was trying to push down, and I felt like ES was trying to hold this level and try to hold above this level, and it didn't. And this is where I was trading that 150K, and I did increase the size. Same strategy applies that we just looked at on the video, but that did end up, I just had some losing trades here at the end of the day, and it is what it is. So overall, I just felt like it was better with this new strategy. I like this, and we're going to continue to use it. I'm going to continue to trade the levels, continue to take the trades that I do take, the VWAP cross, the key level tests, and then also this new one that I just showed you here, what I call the hitchhiker, where we're looking to hitch a ride on a continuation trend, but that worked out very well. So I'm just going to monitor the average winner, average loser, and see if we can get an improvement there and try to improve that overall. So that's really the big goal. Looking at today, 57% win rate, right in my sweet spot. But we did have a red day again, red week. So it is what it is. We'll try to get back on it on Monday, and hopefully we can turn October into a better month. I do want to show you this. So on the week, we lost money on all the accounts, even though today we had a green day by a little bit. Again, I wasn't so much looking to make a lot of money today as to really test this strategy, and I do like it so far. It's only one day, but I think it's better. So that's kind of where we're at. We lost 700 on the 150K, 500, 600, and 300. So very, very, very bad week. So hopefully we can get back on the horse next week and do better. So that is that. What else? I don't really have time and really want to go through all the trades today. That's you kind of get the gist of how things went. Here you can kind of see one trade where we had a winner, and then we did get stopped out for the loss. So the loss was 31, the win was 20, so we had a net loss of $11. So that's the advantage, rather than trying to go for 30 ticks, which would have been up here not having anything, and then getting a full stop out. That's what has been happening, and that's what I was trying to mitigate. So eval front, I bought a new take profit account, and that curse continues down $1,000. Traded this Apex one for, got a couple $100 on it. So didn't lose any today, so that was a win. But as far as affordable indicators, you guys had asked for that. Some of you have been emailing me about that. I do have a link in the description below for 20% off affordable indicators. So that is available. Use that. I didn't get the banner up, but I'll need to put a banner up here so that that's more noticeable. But in any case, the affordable indicators link, you do have to click that link and it gets you 20% off. I use their professional chart trader, the accounts dashboard, risk manager. I love their products, and some of you have asked about it. So there it is. Also, I want to say thank you for using code VCT, my discount code with Apex and Take Profit Trader. It does help me out, supports the channel, and I appreciate that. Saves you some money in the process. I think the Take Profit deal is ending soon, though, according to the email I received today. I think that's going to end probably on Monday, but I don't know for sure. That 50% off lifetime and 100% refund is a good deal, so take advantage of that. The Apex sale is also ending on Monday. Sure wish they would keep that $85 lifetime, but I don't think they will. But in any case, thanks for using my code. Appreciate that. If you're new, feel free to like and subscribe. Trying to get to that 300, so if you're lurking around and not subscribed, please do so. It'll help me out, and trying to get to that threshold there. So again, I want to say thank you for supporting me, being here, and again, using that code. Appreciate that, and appreciate the comments. Hope you guys had a better week than I did, which wouldn't be that hard to do. And so hopefully we can come back on Monday and have a green day. So have a good weekend, and we'll try to have another update for you on Monday afternoon. Take care, and so long.